I am back with a one shot series. Today's topic is integration using substitution. So we have a question: integration log x by x dx. Now what do? We let t as the function whose derivative is present. If you see, log x derivative is 1 by x, so if you let t as 1 by x, I mean log x. Now you differentiate both sides, so dt by dx is 1 by x dx. Now you just transfer the, dt by dx is 1 by x. Now you just transfer the dx over there, so dt is gonna be 1 by x and dx, right? If you just see, we have 1 by x dx over here, right? So we can just plug that back in. So my integral will become what now? It will become log x is t and 1 by x dx is dt. So t dt. Now t dt is t squared by 2 plus c. What was t? T was log x. So this will be log x square by 2 plus c. Okay, simple and sweet. Okay, you can just pause and see this video while I'll move to the next question. Next, we have an integration cos of root x upon root x dx. Now again, you let t as root x. If you let t as root x, what will be dt by dx? It will be 1 upon 2 root x, right? But if you see, I have 1 upon root x dx over here. So we cross multiply the 2 over there. So 2 dt is going to be 1 upon root x dx. So this integral is going to become what? Integration cos of t and 1 upon root x dx is 2 dt. So we take the 2 out of the way and this is dt. So this will be 2 sine t plus c. Now what is t? T is root x. So this will be 2 sine root x plus c. There you go. Okay. So moving on to the next question, we have integration 1 by under root tan inverse x into 1 plus x square and dx. So we let t is equal to tan inverse x. Now we do the derivative. So dt by dx is gonna be 1 by 1 plus x square. So we cross multiply the dx over there. So dt is gonna become 1 by 1 plus x square and then dx. So my integral will become integration 1 by root t and everything else is gonna be dt. Now 1 by root t dt is 2 root t. Okay, standard formula. Now what was t? T is tan inverse x. So this is 2 under root tan inverse x plus c. Okay, if you just see, t is tan inverse x, right? Okay, so moving on to the next question, we have integration x cube cos of x to the 4 dx. Now if you just look at it carefully, the derivative of x to the power 4 is 4x cube. So we are just going to let t as x to the power 4. So dt by dx is going to be 4x cube. Now you have x cube and dx. So this is going to be dt by 4 is going to be x cube and dx. So we are just going to put this x cube. If you just see, x cube dx is what? dt by 4. So my integral is going to become 1 by 4, take the 1 by 4 out of the way. This will be cos of t and everything else x cube dx is dt by 4. I just took the 1 by 4 already out of the way. This is dt. So this is 1 by 4 sine t plus c. Now what is t? T is x to the 4. So 1 by 4 sine x to the power 4 plus c is the answer. Okay. Next question, we have integration e to the power m sine inverse x divided by root over 1 minus x square dx. So we did not worry about the e to the power m over here. That is just a constant. Okay, that is just a constant. You just pull the e to the power m out of the way and we have sine inverse x upon under root 1 minus x square dx. Okay, now what you do, you let t as sine inverse x. Okay, let t as sine inverse x. Now if you just do the derivative dt by dx, this is gonna be 1 upon under root 1 minus x square. So now this becomes dt is equal to 1 upon under root 1 minus x square dx. So we just put the data back in. So this is e to the power m. Sine inverse x is t and everything else is dt. So this is gonna be e to the power m into t square by 2 plus c. This is e to the power m by 2. What is t? T is sine inverse x. So e to the power m by 2 sine inverse x square plus c. Okay, you can just comment down your doubts. So this is e to the power m upon 2 sine inverse x square plus c. Yeah, so moving on to the next question, we have integration 1 plus root x whole square divided by root x dx. So 1 plus root x whole square by root x dx, if you let t as 1 plus root x, so dt upon dx is gonna be 2 root x. We have 1 upon root x dx, so dt by 2 is gonna be t is 1 plus root x. So if I do the derivative over here, dt by dx is gonna be 1 by 2 root x over here. I wrote root x incorrectly, so we are going to transfer 2 dt and this is going to be dx upon root x. Now my integral becomes integration, this is t square and dx by root x is 2 dt, so this is 2 and then dt. So this will be 2 t cube by 3 plus c. So this is 2 by 3. What is t? T is 1 plus root x, so 1 plus root x cube plus c. Okay, moving on to the next question, we have integration log of 1 plus 1 by x upon x into 1 plus x dx. Now see, this one is a little tricky because we cannot spot a derivative directly. So see, we do not know to integrate log x by normal method unless you are aware of integration by parts. So the idea would be to take t as log of 1 plus 1 by x. Okay, so let's take t as log of 1 plus 1 by x. Now you apply the chain rule to do the derivative. So dt by dx is going to be 1 upon 1 plus 1 by x. The chain rule makes it 1 derivative is 0, 1 by x is minus 1 by x square. Now if I just take the LCM over here, so this is gonna be x and x plus 1 and this is gonna be minus 1 by x square. So we take x on the top, so this is x upon x plus 1 into minus 1 by x square. So this is gonna be minus 1 divided by x into 1 plus x. So my dt by dx is basically minus 1 upon x plus into 1 plus x. So we can write minus dt as 1 by x 1 plus x and dx. So my integral is going to be what? My integral is going to be integration log of 1 plus 1 by x is t and everything else is minus dt. So minus and then dt. So this is going to be minus t square by 2 plus c. Now what is t? T is log of 1 plus 1 by x squared. Okay, which is the answer. Okay, so we're gonna move on to the next question. Okay, so the next question is integration x plus 1 upon x into x plus log x whole square dx. Now the idea to integrate is if you let t as x plus log x, dt upon dx is 1 plus 1 by x. Now the idea is you just take the LCM on the right hand side. This is gonna be x and then x plus 1. So this dt is gonna be x plus 1 upon x into dx, which is what I have on the top. So this is gonna be integration t square dt, which is t cube by 3 plus c. Now what is t? T is x plus log x, so x plus log x cube by 3 plus c. Okay, yeah, so we are going to move on to the next question. So the next question basically is I need to integrate sec x into ln of sec x plus tan x dx. So again, what you do, you take t as ln of sec x plus tan x. Now differentiate both sides. So dt by dx is gonna be 1 upon sec x plus tan x, and the derivative of sec x plus tan x is what it is, sec x tan x plus sec square x. Now if I take sec x common from the top, we are going to have tan x plus sec x, and on the bottom I have sec x plus tan x, and this is dt upon dx. So we just cancel stuff. So dt is going to be basically sec x dx, so I can just put that back in. So this is going to be ln of sec x plus tan x was t, and everything else is dt. So this is t square by 2 plus c. So what is t? T is ln of sec x plus tan x. So ln of sec x plus tan x whole square by 2 plus c. Okay, this is my answer. Yeah, so moving on to the next question. So the next question is integration 4x square cot inverse x cube divided by 1 plus x to the power 6 and dx. So what you do, you let t as cot inverse x cube. Okay, now you differentiate both sides. So the derivative of cot inverse x is minus 1 by 1 plus x square. So this is going to be minus 1 by 1 plus x to the power 6, then via chain rule 3x square. So now what we can do, we can bring the 3 on the bottom. We can write this minus dt by 3 is x square upon 1 plus x to the power 6 dx. Now my integral is going to become what? If I just take the 4 out of the way, cot inverse x cube is t, so this is t. This is t. Then everything else, okay, x square upon 1 plus x to the power 6 dx is minus dt by 3. So I'm going to take the minus 1 by 3 out of the way, which will become minus 4 by 3, and this is what? Integration t dt. So this is going to be what? Minus 4 by 3 t square by 2 plus c. This is going to be minus 2 by 3. What is t? T is cot inverse x cube. Okay, which is my answer. All right. Yeah, moving on to the next question. We have integration x square plus 2 into a to the power x plus tan inverse x upon x square plus 1 dx. So what you do, you let t as x plus tan inverse x. Now you differentiate both sides. So dt by dx is going to be 1 plus 1 by 1 plus x square. So if you take the LCM, this will be 1 plus x square plus 1. So dt by dx is going to be 2 plus x square divided by 1 plus x square. Now if you see, we have 2 plus x square by 1 plus x square dx, that is dt. So dt is going to be 2 plus x square upon 1 plus x square dx. So this integral becomes what? Integration a to the power t, and everything else is dt. Now integration a to the power t is a to the power t upon ln a plus c. What is t? T is x plus tan inverse x. So x plus tan inverse x upon ln a plus c. Okay. Okay. So the next question is integration sec to the power 4x tan x dx. Now see, the idea to solve this basically is, we know that the derivative of tan x is sec square x. So with the sec to the power 4x, what we do, we create this as sec square x into sec square x tan x dx. In place of one of the sec square x, I am going to write 1 plus tan square x. Now what you do, you let t as tan x, okay? Let t as tan x, then dt by dx will be sec square x, okay? So this is gonna be dt is equal to sec square x dx, okay? So now this sec square x dx is dt, and everything else, this is 1 plus t square, and t is tan x, and everything else is dt. So this will be integration t plus t cube dt. Integration t is t square by 2, and t cube is t to the power 4 by 4. What is t? T is tan x, so this is gonna be tan square x by 2 plus tan to the power 4x by 4 plus c. Okay. Likewise, the next question I have is integration cos cube x upon under root sin x dx. Cos cube x upon under root sin x dx. Cos cube x can be written as cos square x into cos x upon under root sin x dx. Cos square x is 1 minus sin square x, and this is cos x, this is under root sin x. Now the idea over here is, you let t as sin x. So if you let t as sin x, dt is gonna be cos x dx. So my integral is basically gonna be 1 minus t square upon root t dt. So we're gonna split this stuff. So 1 by root t minus t square upon root t. This is gonna be what? This is gonna be t to the power 3 by 2 dt. So 1 by root t is 2 root t, and this is 2 by 5 t to the power 5 by 2 plus c. Now what was t? T was sin x. So 2 root sin x minus 2 by 5 sin to the power 5 by 2 x plus c. Okay. Next question we have is integration 1 by root x plus x dx. So we can take root x common from here, which will give me 1 plus root x and then dx. So you let t as 1 plus root x. Differentiate both sides. Dt by dx is going to be 1 by 2 root x. if you see, you have 1 by root x dx. So 2 dt is gonna be 1 by root x dx. So my integral is gonna become 1 by t and everything else is 2 dt. Take the 2 out of the way. This is integration dt by t. So this is 2 ln t plus c. Now what is t? T is 1 plus root x plus c. Okay. So moving on to the next question. The next question we have is integration 1 by x square into x to the power 4 plus 1 to the power 3 by 4 dx. So the idea to solve such questions is you just take the stuff inside the bracket, okay, the x to the power 4, you just take that common, okay. So if you take this common, you're gonna get what? X to the power 4. Internally we are taking it common, so x to the power 4 1 plus 1 by x to the power 4, and this is to the power 3 by 4 dx. So this x to the power 4 will come out as x cube. So this is 1 by x square into x cube, and 1 plus 1 by x to the power 4 to the power 3 by 4 dx. So my integral is going to become 1 by x to the power 5 into 1 plus 1 by x to the power 4 to the power 3 by 4 dx. Take t as 1 plus 1 by x to the 4. So dt by dx is gonna be minus 4 upon x to the power 5. If you see, we have 1 by x to the power 5 dx. So minus dt by 4 is gonna be dx upon x to the power 5. So my integral is gonna become what? This is 1 by t to the power 3 by 4, and dx by x to the power 5 is minus dt by 4. So minus 1 by 4 is out of the way, and this is dt. Now just integrate this. This is going to be minus 1 by 4 t to the power minus 3 by 4 dt. So minus 1 by 4 and minus 3 by 4 plus 1. So that is t to the power 1 by 4 upon 1 by 4 plus c. So this cancels out. So your answer basically is minus t to the power 1 by 4. Now what was t? T was 1 plus 1 by x to the power 4. So minus 1 plus 1 by x to the power 4 to the power 1 by 4 plus c. Okay. Let's take another question like this. So the question goes like integration 2x to the power 12 plus 5x to the power 9 divided by x to the 5 plus x cube plus 1 to the power 3 dx. So the idea is take x to the power 5 common from inside. So this is 2x to the power 12 plus 5x to the power 9. So if you take x to the power 5 common from inside, this is going to be 1 plus x to the minus 2, then plus x to the minus 5, and this is whole cube. So this is going to be what? 2x to the power 12 plus 5x to the 9. This is going to come out as x to the power 15. This is 1 plus x to the minus 2 plus x to the minus 5, and then dx. Now you just split this. So this is going to be 2 x to the minus 3 plus 5 x to the minus 6 divided by 1 plus x to the minus 2 plus x to the minus 5, and then dx. So what you do, you let t as 1 plus x to the minus 2 plus x to the minus 5. So dt by dx is minus 2x to the power minus 3 minus 5x to the minus 6. So if I take the minus common, so dt by dx will be minus 2x to the power minus 3 plus 5x to the power minus 6. So minus dt will be 2x to the power minus 3 plus 5x to the power minus 6 dx. So my integration is going to become what? This will become integration minus dt upon t. So this is minus ln t plus c. This is minus ln. What is t? T is 1 plus x to the power minus 2 plus x to the power minus 5. So minus ln 1 plus x to the power minus 2 plus x to the power minus 5 plus c. Okay. Sorry, we have a slight mistake over here because this is power 3, right? So power 3 this is gonna be minus dt by t to the power 3. So this is gonna be minus t to the power minus 3 dt. So this becomes t to the power minus 2 by minus 2. So 1 by 2 t square plus c. So just plug the value of t back in. So 1 by 2 t is 1 plus x to the minus 2 plus x to the power minus 5 square plus c. Yeah, sorry. So just correct this one, okay? Yeah, moving on. Okay, so we have a question: e to the power x minus 1 divided by e to the power x plus 1 dx. So over here directly we not spot any derivative, but if you divide both top and bottom, okay, divide both top and bottom by e to the power x. So if you do so, let's make it 2x and 2x over here. So e to the power 2x minus 1 upon e to the power 2x plus 1 dx. So this is gonna be e to the power 2x minus 1 upon e to the power x dx, and e to the power 2x plus 1 upon e to the power x dx. So this is e to the power x minus e to the power minus x divided by e to the power x plus e to the power minus x dx. Now you can spot the derivative, like, right, if you take t as e to the power x plus e to the power minus x, then dt upon dx is going to be e to the power x minus e to the power minus x. So dt becomes e to the power x minus e to the power minus x dx. We can just put that back in. So this becomes integration dt upon t. Now integration dt upon t is ln t. Now what is t? T is e to the x plus e to the minus x. So this is going to be ln of e to the power x plus e to the power minus x plus c. Okay. Moving on to the next question. We have 2 to the power 2 to the power 2 to the power x, 2 to the power 2 to the power x, 2 to the power x dx. So what you do, you let t as 2 to the power x. So dt upon dx is gonna be 2 to the power x ln 2. So dt upon ln 2 is 2 to the x dx. So this 2 to the x, this 2 to the power x dx This 2 to the power x dx is dt upon ln 2, and this is 2 to the power t, again 2 to the power t, and everything else is dt upon ln 2. So we take the ln 2 out of the way. Now let u as 2 to the power t. So du upon dt is gonna be 2 to the t ln 2. So du upon ln 2 is gonna be 2 to the t dt. Again we do the replacement, this becomes 1 by ln 2 squared now, because the ln 2 will come out, and this is integration 2 to the power u du. Now 2 to the power u du is 2 to the power u by ln 2. So 2 to the power u by ln 2 cubed plus c. Now what is u? U is 2 to the power t and t is 2 to the power x. So 2 to the power x upon ln 2 cube plus c. This is the answer to the integral. Okay, so let's take one last question. So the question we have is x plus 1 into e to the power x upon sine square x e to the power x dx. So you let t as x e to the power x, do the derivative, dt upon dx will be x e to the power x plus e to the power x. So dt by dx, if I take e to the power x common, is gonna be x plus 1. So dt will be e to the power x plus 1 dx. So my integral is gonna become integration dt upon sine square t. Okay, integration dt upon sine square t. This is integration cosec square t dt. Now the integral of cosec square t is minus cot t. I hope you are aware with the formulas. So minus cot of what was t? T was x e to the x. So this is the answer. So yeah, please help me reach out to more people. Okay, if you genuinely like the video and want me to create more videos, full integration series, then please share it with your friends. Okay, like and subscribe and share maximum. With good numbers, I'll get motivated to make more videos, and I'll surely make a full integration series. So bye before our next video. Good night.